Learn English easily. تعلم الإنجليزية بسهولة.
Discipline. Discipline. Control that is gained by requiring that rules or orders be obeyed and punishing bad behavior. الانضباط والتأديب. The teacher has a hard time maintaining discipline in the classroom. Procedure. Procedure. A series of actions that are done in a certain way or order, an established or accepted way of doing something. إجراء. New employees are taught the proper safety procedures. Significant. Significant. Very important or large. مهم. Al-Azhar plays a significant role in Islamic world. Conclusion. Conclusion. The last part of something. خاتمة. نهاية. The conclusion of her speech contained some surprising news. Intolerance. Intolerance. Not willing to allow or accept something. عدم التسامح. He is intolerant of weakness and failure. Violence. Violence. The use of physical force to harm someone or damage property. العنف. They need to learn how to settle their arguments without resorting to violence. Destination. Destination. A place to which a person is going or something is being sent. مكان الجهة الوصول. He enjoys traveling to remote destinations. Temperature. Temperature. A measure of how hot or cold something is. درجة الحرارة. The temperature will be high tomorrow. Villain. Villain. A character in a story, movie, etc. who does bad things. وغد أو شرير القصة. He plays the villain in most of his movies. Attitude. Attitude. The way you think and feel about someone or something. موقف أو طريقة التفكير. He wants to change his attitude toward technology. Appropriate. Appropriate. Right or suited for some purpose or situation. مناسب. We'll need to find an appropriate place to store the fuel.
اكتب في الكومنت أكتر كلمة عجبتك تحت، وما تنساش تعمل لايك واشتراك علشان توصلك فيديوهات جديدة كل يوم. Comment your favorite word below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily English videos.